In this section, we're going to focus on writing, and we're going to explore a variety of methods and principles to help you write more effectively. Now, before we get into this, I do want to reiterate that you don't have to be a Pulitzer Prize winner to be a successful blogger. I think you'll find that you'll improve organically without a lot of focused effort just by continually writing and publishing content day in and day out. But I also don't want to discount the importance of effective writing, so let's talk a little bit about that. As you can imagine, writing is going to be the basis of most of the content you create for your blog. Now, of course, you're not limited to the format of a traditional written blog post, and we'll actually talk about some other formats later, but even things like audio and video will often require some writing ahead of time. Now, writing is a great way to communicate ideas, but it comes with a certain handicap when compared with in-person verbal communication. You've probably heard that body language accounts for a significant portion of human interaction. Facial expressions, posture, eye contact, gestures. When you're speaking, all of these things can either support or negate the words you're actually saying. We use body language often unconsciously to connect with people, to gauge character and trustworthiness, to understand how someone is feeling, and so on. What you say is arguably less important than how you say it. But when it comes to writing and publishing content on the web, many of those qualities are lost. There's no body language, there's no tone of voice. You're totally reliant on the words themselves, which makes effective writing that much more important. You want to be able to build trust, share ideas, educate people, and persuade people, all without relying on the help of body language. Beyond that, you have to remember the nature of the world we live in today. At any given moment, there are thousands of people and companies competing for your audience's attention. Why should someone spend 5 minutes reading your content when they could be doing literally anything else? The world of web content is more crowded than ever before, and it's only getting more competitive. Some people see that as a bad thing, like the surplus of content is driving down the value of content itself. But the reality is, as the volume of content on the web increases, so too do the rewards for those who create truly valuable content. That's what you're going for. You want your content to be the needle in the haystack, the diamond among thousands of ordinary rocks. Effective writing can help you achieve that.